Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. Today we have for you a 2022 delivery mileage Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. This is the short wheelbase Highline version. Huge spec on it, and it's the 204ps BiTDi model. Lovely Fortana Red. The full gloss black styling pack and extra MASV styling details like the front spoiler here, nice and subtle. It's got matte contrast badges, LED lights front and rear, and this one has been lowered by 30mm on genuine Volkswagen lowering springs. Latest design of Velour wheels here, the VLR 16, stunning wheel with Pirelli Scorpion tyres. Got the sidebars and the roof rails there too. Now, part of the black styling pack, we also do the mirror surrounds and caps. We also lightly smoke the side repeaters. Full privacy tints to the vehicle. And inside, this one has got a stunning Caravelle leather interior with MASV embossing. Red contrast stitch, just subtly matching the exterior colour. Now, as mentioned, this one's got a huge spec. So we've got the Discover Media navigation system with reverse camera, heated front seats, electric twin sliding doors, and park assist too. So that will parallel park for you. Just press a button and away you go. Two plus one rear seating, also trimmed to match, and this has been fully carpet lined throughout. Suede lined ceiling with 4 LED downlighters. Moving around to the rear. It's got the smoked rear lights and lenses, black contrast roof spoiler, Range Rover shaped rear plate, MASV detailing, and a carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. You see the little reverse camera there. Now, this one, as mentioned, huge specs. It's got fully electric tailgate too. You get a better view of that carpet lined rear. Also got carpet lining on the tailgate itself with 2 switchable LED downlighters. Just a press of this button and the tailgate's on its way back down. It stands so well from the sides. Now, it's worth noting we use the 30mm Volkswagen lowering springs for a couple of reasons. A, if there's any issues, straight back into Volkswagen, although there never is. And secondly, it just keeps the ride height high enough so you can have the weight in the back that this van is rated to take. Because on coilovers with 275 tyres can sometimes be a bit of scrubbing, especially in the rear if you're loaded up. So really does help with that. Now, the final stunning touch to this one is the red stitched carbon leather steering wheel. Perforations in the leather there, and then the red stitching. Only covered 167 miles. Very recently registered. You will be the second registered keeper, but essentially the first driver and owner of this vehicle. It's a huge spec on it. Just to summarise, bi-turbo in Fortana Red, twin electric sliding doors, electric tailgate, LED lights, heated seats, and the Discover Media navigation system with the rear camera, along with a full MASV styling package. Part exchanges are welcome, and we do have competitive finance facilities for both private and business customers. So if you're interested, head to martinatkinsonvans.co.uk, have a look at the advert, and please do get in touch if you'd like to discuss. Thanks for watching.